quick way to make hot wings or chicken wings, whatever you decide. Instead of going and to a restaurant and buying chicken wings, you can just make them at home. It's a lot cheaper and a lot tastier. So all you're going to need is chicken wings. These are drums and drumettes. These are smoked barbecue split wings from Save On Foods. And then you just need a couple of spices and another very underused piece of kitchen appliance, and this is an actifrier. There's a couple different models of this one. This is just the original basic actifrier. I've used this guy ever since I moved out, and it's seen some better days, so let's get to it. So as you can see, I've thrown all of the chicken wings into the actifrier. There is a paddle in the center that agitates everything up. These are already flavored, but you can go ahead and add more spices like I'm going to. I like my garlic plus. And I also like some Montreal steak spice for the extra spice. Just a little bit there. Add a little bit of sea salt or coarse rock salt. Grind it up. Good enough. And then add a little bit of coarse ground black pepper. Like I said, these are already flavored, so you don't need to add much. This is just an extra. Now, I didn't add any oil or any extras to this. There will be enough oil in here, and this uses strictly hot air to cook everything, so no oil is required. Nothing will stick. You want to cook these for probably 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how crispy you like them. These were a little bit frozen, so these will take a little bit of time, so I'm going to probably set them in for about an hour. Come back, and we'll see how they turn out. Just a quick side note, make sure that when you turn this thing on, and sorry this is a little bit noisy, that everything is moving down there. You don't want anything to stick in one spot and burn. Because these are frozen, every now and again one of the bones will get stuck against the paddle and it will stop moving, so you got to just move everything around. But once it gets going, it's good to go. Well guys, it's been about an hour, so let's open this guy up and see how they look. And there you go, everything's nice and cooked. You can see all the oil that's come out of these, all the grease. So now all you want to do is put these on a plate, maybe some paper towel to let them drain. And there you go, you got yourself chicken wings ready to eat. And there you go, everything's cooked. You got yourself a plate of chicken wings. I'm going to have some carrots with it and some good old ranch dressing. And seeing as I don't feel like cooking anything else for dinner tonight, there's my dinner. Thanks a lot for tuning in, everyone.